Blackboard is very simple to use. Always remember to access material, look at the icons on the left-hand side, and then you can access all kinds of material. Like here, maybe your instructors will unload a video or maybe a multimedia presentation on what you actually are supposed to be learning, right? So always remember to access the materials, always going to be on the left-hand side menu bar. Once again, here's another video you can access. Your instructors will upload all kinds of material for you in order to help you with your academic studies, right? So it's up to you really to choose what you'd like to access. But once again, key thing to remember, left-hand side are the most important icons that you need to look at. And you just need to read then at the descriptions and access the relevant material. For example, what I'm showing you here. Sometimes there'll be some quizzes as well. Maybe your instructors will upload quizzes, online quizzes or practice quizzes. And these can test your knowledge and your concepts, basically, that you've understood the concepts in the lesson. Very easy to use. And the great thing about these quizzes is you get your grade straight away and you can see which questions you got wrong. So once again, to access material, always located left-hand side. Sometimes your instructors will use discussion boards, and these are places where your classmates can get together to answer the questions that your teacher has posted maybe on a topic. And you can all comment on each other's responses to the questions. But don't worry, your teacher will show you how to do this in the classes to follow. So there are some good ways to add your information, to add your answers using these Blackboard discussion boards and wikis. Once again, these are places where you can get together and share your ideas with your class, and your teacher can give you live feedback. Okay, everyone, take care and enjoy your studies and stay awesome.